Happy Halloween! Happy Christmas! It's always weird. Okay, I have to delete all of this. This week on homework, we are starting the holiday decorating process. I do not do it all at once. I generally do a little bit at a time while I can take it. I keep things pretty simple around here. I'm going to fancy up this just regular plain old store-bought garland with some living stuff. So it's like, it's a very job generally probably requires two. My other half is filming this right now, laughing at me. I'm not a very good Pinterest, Instagram person, obviously, because it's kind of well into December and I'm just starting. I think there's a plug up here somewhere. Yeah, open it out. I'm very excited that there's an outlet up there. Who is this? Is that Hestia? I don't even know. I can't say it. It's definitely Greek letters. Okay. Hold on, I hear crying. Stay there. Back to our regularly scheduled program. Do as I'll take like on the day of, or if I'm having a party, or actually like on Christmas and Christmas Eve, I'll go outside and cut fresh greenery and just kind of weave it in. Today, I'm gonna do something even more special. And I can do arrangements too. So come with me into the kitchen and I'm gonna show you what I like to do. I'm sure you've seen these before. I'm gonna work poinsettias into the garland. So I got a bunch of these little tubes, test tubes. I'm just gonna shove them in there. I feel like very magazine-y doing this. When you put them in water, they live for what seems like forever. But I will probably most likely kill them in a week or so because the test tubes are very tiny and they're gonna suck up all the water. They're going down. I'll do this assembly line style now. There we go. Just fill it up. Pop the lid on and I shove it on in. Okay. See. It's super easy. And I feel like, wait till she's done singing. I feel like it's gonna, Rory, you want to help mommy? Okay. Hold that. Okay, mommy's gonna cut the flower. You are helpful. Look at you.
I'm scared.
Push, push. You got it. Yeah. Good job, girl. I'm gonna give you another one. Oh, you're trying to put the cap on. Thank you.
Okay.
Girl, you're welcome. You said poinsettia.
Poinsettia.
It's so exciting, isn't it? The flower in?
Poinsettia.
I have to wash my hands afterwards because poinsettias are poisonous. We're gonna do just one more because I do want to have enough for an arrangement. Should we wash our hands?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Poinsettias are poison, right? We're contaminating there, Aurora. Now, Rory, we have more work to do. Hiking up the pants. I'm going for it. I'm gonna do a little arrangement. It's gonna take what's left over. Where do you want to put this? In the kitchen? Okay, girl.
Yeah.
Now, these are not the choices of poinsettia blooms, but we're gonna see if we can make something pretty with it. Whenever I get poinsettia plants as a gift or the grocery store, I just start hacking them apart and spreading them all over the house. So, sorry anyone who's given them to me. I'm very thankful for them, but I will cut them. Come on, can you put it in there?
Yes.
Thank you. You need it. No, don't do that. Oh, she's eating it. Do not eat it.
I can.
You can eat them? No.
Yes, I can.
You can. Well, technically you can eat them, but you shouldn't eat them, right? You should not eat poinsettias. Should not film my child eating poinsettias for homework.
Mama.
Should we set this up in the kitchen just because it's pretty? I feel like I need to steal one. Let's steal one, Rory. You want to help? You want to carry one more? Yes. Basically just going to shove these in here. Thank you.
Okay, Mama.
Thank you, Rory. Hold on. I'm going to shove them in.
Mama.
Oh, thank you. You're enough in there? Push. Oh, what? Oh, good job. One right there. I don't want to cover her face up too much. Look, it's coming Last one more. Here, kind of hanging down.
Now then.
All done, high five. Gonna get a huggy? You sit in the chair and watch. Okay, watch, Roy. Watch. Up.
I can't reach, Mom.
You can't reach. I know, I kind of can't either. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Look, Barbie!
Wow.
And from here, you just tweak it.
Okay.
Yeah, we just tweak it.
How
She is not having that. So this week's homework is to get a garland, hang garlands around your house, and make them special by putting something living in them. And then like throw stuff all over your living room because it's beautiful. Homework. What are you doing?